Sunrise offers a range of positioning devices, from multi-stop tables and duplicating tables to semi-automatic NC gauges and full automatic CNC positioning tables for fast and accurate punching. Hydraulic clamps and hydraulic strippers are standard equipment on CNC tables. The CNC models are engineered with a user-friendly controller interface and is easy to learn and to operate. Multi-tooling systems and controller upgrades are also available to further increase the machine's efficiency and productivity.